Hi there and welcome to week 3. I wanted to go through some vocabulary with you because the vocabulary of math is really very important to understand and to know. So this week we're talking about ratios and rates and proportions. Ratios and rates are basically fractions. They're a comparison. A ratio is a comparison between two quantities. A rate is when you have two different types of numbers like miles per gallon, price per ounce, that sort of thing. Those are all rates. And proportion is not the same thing as a ratio. A proportion is when you have two ratios equal to each other. So I wanted to make sure that you understand that difference. It's very important. Um, Square roots. We're going to be talking about square roots and the radical symbol. So make sure that you are clear on what that means. A square root is the inverse to what squaring is. So squaring is when a number is multiplied times itself. And a square root is when you are trying to find the number. That's when it's multiplied times itself, you get the square. Some other things I wanted to bring up were about the discussions. So let me just quickly see if I can get up to the discussion again real quickly and talk about what you need to be doing each week. So we are now still in the first unit and finishing up week 2. Starting week 3, I don't have as many problems as I've had before, but I want to make sure we're getting through all of them because each one of these problems could be on the test that's coming up soon. So it's not too far away. Make sure, even if they're not getting posted, make sure you are completing all of the problems and ask any questions that you might have about any of them. If you have any questions at all, make sure you go up to the general discussion. You can ask there, and either I or one of your classmates will help answer that. And it's okay to make mistakes here, but the important thing is when you are responding to a classmate. I see a lot of, hey, I got the right answer. I checked it and it looks good. That's not good enough for the discussion. For the discussion, you have to actually show us how you checked it. How do you know that the answer is correct if you don't check it? Even if you got the same answer, how do you know that that's the correct answer? Maybe you both got the same wrong answer. And make sure that if you find a mistake, you don't say, there's a mistake there. Show us what the mistake is. Show us how you would fix it, because that's a learning experience for both you and the classmate that you're responding to. So really use this discussion to learn and to better your understanding of the concepts. So again, if you have any questions, let me know, and I will be seeing you soon.